Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you division of numbers by 10 and 100. So let us see some example here. We have to divide by 10 49. So after dividing by 10 49 we get here remainder 9, and when we divide 78 by 10 we get here remainder 8, and when we divide by 10 952 we get here remainder 2. So what we observe here? We observe here when we divide 49 by 10, okay, so ones place digit will be here, remainder, and remaining digit will be quotient. Okay, now in second example here, when we divide 78 by 10, here we observe ones place digit here 8, which is as remainder, and remaining digit is quotient. Now in this 952, when we divide 952 by 10, in this also ones place digit is here, remainder, and remaining digit will be, which is 95, will be quotient. So student, you can see here when we divide by 10 in any number, ones place digit will be remainder and remaining digits will be quotient. So easily we can find quotient and remainder when we divide by 10. No need to divide by long method. Okay. We can see here another example also, 58 divided by 10. So 58 divided by 10, in this easily we can find quotient is 5 and the digit except one's digit, which is a remainder is 8, the digit at one's place. So easily we can find in 58 quotient will be one's place digit will be quotient, and 58 ones place digit will be here remainder and remaining digit will be here quotient. Okay, next one example here, 853 divided by 10. In this remainder will be ones place digit, which is 3, and quotient will be 85. So remaining digits will be quotient. So now I hope you understand. Next, when we divide by 100 any number, so let us see the example, divide by 100. Okay, 358, which is divide by 100. So easily you can find in this, in 100 how many zero? 2 zeros. So easily we can find once in this, when we divide by 100 any number, so ones and tens both digits will be remainder. Okay, both digits will be remainder and remaining digit will be quotient. Okay, next example is here, 4266 divided by 100. Okay, so ones and tens place digit will be here remainder, which is 66, and quotient will be 42. Remaining digit are here 42, so quotient will be 42. Next, number 3 example, 5004, which is divided by 100. So in this remainder will be 04. We can write here 4 also, and quotient will be 50. When you will divide by long method, then also you will get same answer. So by this way we can find the quotient and remainder easily. So what we notice here, we notice that when a number is divided by 10, okay, the except the digit at ones place becomes the quotient and the digit at ones place becomes the remainder. And when we divide by 100, the quotient is the number formed by the digits except the digits at ones and tens places of the dividend, and the remainder is formed by the tens and ones digits of the dividend. Let us see some more example here. We have to divide by 100 477. So see here, in 477 divide by 100, one sentence plus digit will be remainder and remaining digit will be quotient. Next, B number, we have to divide 3798 by 100. So in this, one sentence plus digit will be remainder and remaining digits will be quotient, which is 37. Now see the exercise questions. By this way you can solve the exercise 5D. So 44 divided by 10. So you can see here 44 divided by 10, then ones plus digit will be remainder and remaining digit will be quotient. Okay. Now next example, 363 divided by 10. So in 363, ones plus digit is 3, so remainder will be 3 and remaining digits 36 will be here quotient. Okay, now see the example of divide by 100. Okay, 600 divided by 100, then one sentence plus digit will be remainder. You can write 10 also and 2 also, no problem. So, and quotient place will come here 6. Okay. Next, you see this one, question number 8 also you can see here. 1263 and divide by 100. So, one sentence plus digit will be here remainder and remaining digits 12 will be here quotient. Okay. And next, last one you can see once, 8001. In 8001, one sentence plus digit will be remainder, which is 01, and 80, it is the quotient. So by this way you can complete this exercise. Thank you.